Basically, we're here at the OpenClaw thing, and
notes. First off,
there's a finalist that
give
we present right now.
A huge round of applause to our final round judges who are going to be judging the top 6 panel. And a huge thank you to all the first round judges that were here as well, judging all of the projects. I believe there was around 75 submissions today, so 75 projects that were judged, and unfortunately we had to narrow down to the top 6. It was very, very difficult. I want to remind you of the prizes for this event. We've got, in first place, the GTC Pass, a bunch of credits. In second place, we've got a bunch of Nebius credits and partner credits as well. And in third place is a little less, but then also still a lot of credits for you here. Alrighty. Now, the top 6 finalists, before I announce them, please
check this
listen carefully on the directions. When I announce your name, your teams are going to line up to the right of the stage here, behind this camera.
This is
over
crazy,
here.
right?
My team will check you in to make sure that you are ready to present.
Yikes. Actually, I'm putting
when you're presenting, you have 3 minutes to pitch and then 2 minutes for questions. So a total of 5 minutes. It was the same process that you presented in those rooms.
What's going on, man?
Process here. So make sure to have 3 minutes for your presentation, and then I'll have 2 minutes for questions. I will cut you off after 3 minutes, so make sure to have that demo scoped as well.
Let's go.
So again, reminder, if your team name gets called, the first person on the slide will go in order. The first person comes to me. The rest line up behind this pillar over here, and we will check you in to make sure you're ready to present. You will plug in through an HDMI cord. That's about it. So, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Drum roll, please, for the top 6.
I'm gonna take you through. So right now, it's basically the top 6 hackathon.
Alrighty, we got Topology, Injester, Chase, Brignac, Robo Store, Asha, and Jimmy. Congratulations to the top 6 finalists of the hackathon.
Taking place
Alright, folks, so like I mentioned, Topology, I want you up here first. You're going to be the first presenter on the stage. In the meantime, Injester, Chase, Robo Store, Asha, and Jimmy.
Let's go.
Behind that pole over there.
Go.
And we will get you checked in and ready to present. So, Topology, I see you in the crowd. Come on stage and let's get ready for the first presentation.
Let's go, man. You got this, bro. Hey, you're alive right now.
So there are other really cool projects. All of these will be public on the GitHub or on the gallery of the hackathon as well that you will be able to check out afterwards.
So let's go see what these demos are about.
He's restarting the server.
Let's go.
Hopefully you have Nebius credits left.
Bro, are you hype right now? You're a jester right now. I want to see that demo.
How do we connect to it, though?
How do you connect to it? Magic. Yeah. How's it going? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell the audience? You're gonna win number 1?
And we're gonna Run Robot. Go visit runrobot.chef.
Runrobot.chef.
Yeah.
That's
We're
cool.
building the evals and benchmarks for robotics.
Yeah,
Check out Run Robot.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Runrobot.sh.
So did you get to run it on those robots and stuff?
Do you mind taking a video?
Yeah, for sure.
We actually have one G1 at the UFB office that we use.
Heck yeah. Cool.
The Wi-Fi works.
Will you record for us?
Yeah, for sure.
You are recording.
Well, it's a live stream.
Okay, if we share.
It's a live stream.
It's a live stream.
Yeah.
When we go on.
What's up? Is there a lady in the front? Let's see. Oh, the guy in the green. Maybe over there.
So this is a natural selection agent orchestration system. So you can see what I ran down here, design an inference platform. So it basically spawns like 20 roles, randomly assorts them in these different genomes. This is like the DNA that you can see over here. And it runs them through 5 generations of 10 teams. Every generation, it kills off the 7 lowest performers, keeps 3 and mutates them. The idea is that at the end of this, you actually have a genome that you can export as a JSON file to, run a more empirically based swarm team that can perform and remove a lot of this work and save you a lot of compute. So once it's done with the final generation, we're coming to the end here, it basically creates this summary of like what worked, why did it work, what always got killed, what you should avoid, and then it also will share the lineage with you of like how it traveled through that sequence. So we're down to the final three. You can see in the hierarchy here, it's a flat hierarchy, free-form communication, autonomous decision-making, specialized distribution of work, and these are the roles that I came up with. You also get a play-by-play here of like what teams are doing well. How am I doing on time?
You got 1.5 minutes left, so you're good.
Cool. So the evolutionary synthesis here, you can see the winning archetype, the centralized flow optimizer, the roles it came up with. You can see why it worked, what the key discovery was. I think ultimately, you can keep building this out and basically create even more rigorous judging. You can create, instead of it being random, you can create a maximal spread, so it's the most diverse set of organizations to start with. You can run more generations. Yeah, I think there's a lot of room for improvement, but hopefully the demo is cool.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you, Team Topology.
Let's go.
Judges, do we have any questions from the judging panel?
What did you consider as the survival criteria for filtering out genomes for each generation?
Yeah, so there was coherence, depth, efficiency, and I'm blanking on the fourth one.
And use LLM as a judge?
Yeah, so the judge was Llama, 70B, and then the reasoning agent was DeepSeek at the very end.
Cool, thanks.
Alright, judges, any other questions? Alrighty, that was Team Topology. Thank you, Team Topology. Please
Yo.
clap for them. Next up, we have Team Injester.
Let's go, let's go.
To the stage.
Way to go, man. Yeah.
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
All right, hello everyone. We made Injester, so this is a play on ingesting a website to make it more AI agent friendly. So the problem statement is, right now when you build an OpenClaw and send it to United or Airbnb, it can't really ingest the website and actually book you a flight or a United booking. Ingester fixed that. We designed the website where you can post a URL into the Injester website, and it makes it more AI friendly using a Topology loop and optimizing it. Our tech stack, we use Valley to extract and map, so we strip it into a simplified HTML. We remove the JavaScript, and this gives a URL that we can optimize. What we do from there is we optimize it with an AI website. We use Nemotron 3 Super, 120 billion parameters. This is optimized for NVIDIA GPUs. So on the Nebius stack, it's actually very fast. Then we transform it in the Topology loop to optimize it further for AI usage.
All right, if you want to get a glance at what the output looks like, so on the left, the original United website, and we noticed that when agents directly call it, we call it like about 3 to 4x the amount of content. If you were to simplify it, it looks like on the right, which is just extracts the correct action items, the main text from it, and just presents it to the user. In some cases, we also explore looking at like playwright, and sometimes things are loaded dynamically. So you have to have playwright loaded and then optimize it. So we look at both options.
All right, now we're going to go into a live demo. So this is the website. We're going to put in united.com. So it pulls up the human website right now. As you can see, it's not very AI friendly. You have a lot of components that you need to put in. It's actually running through the optimizer right now and the Topology auto research loop to optimize it for AI agents. And and this is the optimized website. Now the agent's actually doing tasks and measuring how many tokens that it actually uses. So we use Nematron 3 Super. It's actually very fast, so we're very impressed with the Nebius stack.
So what you see right now is the agent live filling the site in the optimized one, and actually evaluating the scoring itself, and based on a bunch of parameters, and then it goes back and tries to improve its prompt or make some changes in other API calls and tries it here. And at the end, when you scroll down, give a second maybe. So at the end, we want to show you how much token savings you had, you know, and we could use that to basically, you know, save you a bunch of money in your agent's operation. So that's the basic idea.
All right, we are at time. Thank you, Team Injester.
Yeah.
Give them a warm round of applause. Judges, do we have any questions for Team Injester? Any thoughts? All righty.
Do you try other websites other than the airplane booking United Flow, and can you talk a little bit about how that went?
Yeah, we definitely tried with Airbnb. Those were the two main we were focusing on because our goal was to demo a full booking, you know, like we were going somewhere to do those both. And those are probably the most complex ones in terms of like the number of options they present. So,
Team Injester.
All right, and with that was Team Injester. Please give them another round of applause.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Team Chase.
Yo.
They told us they wanted to be renamed to Run Robots, so please welcome Run Robot to the stage.
Run Robot. Here we go, man. Cool. This is crazy. Vibe to chill right now. What are you guys working on? Robot store. Robots don't
Hi
work.
everyone, my name is Anna.
Store for robots?
My
Like
name
Tinder
is
for
Chase.
robots?
We're Red Robot.
Many times.
So right now I work at Amazon's AGI lab, and I noticed a problem, an unsolved problem in my lab. So NVIDIA and Amazon research groups are coming out with policies, new policies all the time, and policy frameworks. But how can you tell which policy is best for which task? So that's where Run Robot comes into play. We're generating the human preference data platform for robots by running them side by side in simulation, allowing humans to decide which robots work better on which tasks at scale. We gather that data, we make an ELO rating, and then we generate leaderboards for different situations. So here I'll give you a demonstration. So here we have two policies. One policy is PHP Parkour, which is made by Amazon. On the right, we have the like standard NVIDIA Sonic policy. And if our internet is cooperative, we can walk forward in Sonic. We can see that Sonic trips and falls. And then if we walk forward in PHP Parkour, it does a much better job, but still falls. So then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to pick the winner. I'm going to say it's PHP Parkour. And I'm going to go update the leaderboard page. And the ELO ranking automatically gets updated. And then the score automatically gets updated to say that PHP Parkour is better. So we have an OpenCore repo right now. If you go to runrobot.sh now, you get early access to this platform when we launch tomorrow publicly. And we're working with UFP right now to give them human preference data on fighting humanoids, and we're looking for connections to robot policy researchers and AI labs. And yeah, let's run Robot.
Yeah.
Thank you, Team Run Robot. Judges, do you have any questions for Run Robot? Any questions?
How do you think the measurement of the performance compares doing a human preference approach compared to more objective metrics such as distance or time on boxes or things like that?
Yeah, so that's a really good question. So a lot of RL policies have like these automated rewards, and what we can tell is that these are actually pretty brittle. What humans prefer in different situations varies a lot. This is actually already like a paradigm that exists with LLMs. There's a company called LM Arena. They make tens of millions of dollars per year selling human preference data to companies like Anthropic and OpenAI, and they help those companies to understand where they're going to rank in LM Arena leaderboards. And you can't really do that with these automatic rewards. You need human preference data for it. So we're just doing that, but for robots.
I mean, we're initially starting off with very tangible tasks like climbing up stairs, throwing punches, trying to run on top of obstacles, and then later on we'll jump to more a variety of metrics that we can track over time.
And also there's like assets that are coming out now, like Light Wheels made a kitchen. We didn't put the kitchen in here because these are, like whole body policies, but they're not really deliberation policies. But we do think that this year will be the year where the kitchen will be useful. You'll be able to actually do things.
Wow. Thanks. Thank you for sharing. I have a question on what sort of visualization is this in the browser, or is it Isaac Lab or Mujoku? And my other question is related to that. Does that limit what robots you can support in such an arena?
Really great question. So this is running in Nebius on the right in Mujoko. And that's because Sonic requires like H200, so this is running on H200 or like similar type of GPU to actually run the full Sonic policy, all the different policies at different levels. And on the left we have just plain NJLab that's running on your CPU and running like a very simple policy on your laptop. So it doesn't even need a GPU on the left. On the right it does need a GPU, we do use Nebius. Thank you, Nebius. Shout out.
Awesome. Any other questions from the judges? One more.
How do you go about adding new policies? Do users also get to add new policies, or is it all controlled in the backend?
We would love for users to add policies in the near future. There's actually like a handful of policies that are pretty common now. There's like, was it BFH0 that we want to add this week. There's one that's a Robo Dojo we want to add this week. There's a few others that we want to add this week. We want to allow people to add any kind of like policies or reference motions that they want to the platform, and ideally policies that we get paid for, so that they can get human reference data.
All right, that's all the time we have for questions. Thank you, Team Run Robot. Please give them another round of applause.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Team Robo Store, another robotics one.
Hey, we're Team Robo Store. So we're building a marketplace for agentic robotics to end-to-end understand their capabilities and order parts when they are prompted or need to complete a task for a capability they don't have. So we built the marketplace and then a visualizer to show the robot being able to get prompted a task, realize it doesn't have that capability, order the component, and then be able to complete that task after the component has been installed via natural language.
Effectively sort of capitalizing on the hype of OpenClaw by adding a skill file to modular components and add to a main robot. Sort of a plug-and-play approach. So I have a question. How many of you have gotten a robotic product and been like, this robot doesn't have, or it doesn't have some capability I needed to do?
to walk forward and it doesn't have legs, it realizes it doesn't have legs, or set sensors to perception, and it on its own will go out on the marketplace that we provide and order those components that are already predetermined to work with those robots as if there are skills and skill files.
You can approve the purchase, and then it will be delivered to the robot and installed by the technician, making what was once a very technical skill of the maintainer effectively as skilled as, say, an Amazon delivery person. So we plug it in, the skill file teaches the main component how to install it, as well as what new capabilities it has.
Yeah, so you can see the storefront. It'd be linked to design partners and other facilities like Adafruit or Raspberry Pi, and these design partners would customize their components based on our firmware specs and standards that we have set up for the robots that would be on here for purchase. So you would have components that are compatible when they arrive, of course.
And there we go. What it was once, now able to do. Now can.
All right, thank you, Team RoboStar. Those are all round of applause. Judges, do we have any questions for RoboStar? All right.
Yeah, nice project. How did you create that set of robot components and decisions to solve for a case, or is that
So the components first. So Josh made a marketplace with all the components that are out there, like perception-wise, cameras, sensors, and kind of scrape that. And as an example, yeah, it's an example to show like what kind of sensors and different suites you could add on. And then for the agentic side, we have an LLM orchestrator that basically understands all the degrees of freedom of the robot via an XML file on the imagery training data using Quen, and then that basically outputs the commands to the robot if it has met those preset requirements of what sensors, what locomotion capabilities it needs to be able to navigate, walk, move, what joints, actuators it has, and then if it doesn't meet that set of requirements based on the safety layer, it will then prompt you to order those via the marketplace.
Nice. Good set of workflows. And the follow-up to that is, so all those assets were available in your simulator as well, or that's just the few that you were able to
give you a few examples, just perception, locomotion, and navigation-based sensors, but it could expand, of course, to anything that would be potentially placed on a robot to complete a task.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, folks, that was Team RoboStar. Please do another round of applause. Next up, we have Team Asha.
It's okay if I sit here? Let's see if I can get next to the speaker.
Hi everyone, I'm Rana.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Ran. I'm a master's student and I work at the Nebius Cloud Innovation Center. So we've built Asha. Asha in Hindi means hope, and we're giving hope for small rising businesses. It's an AI native WhatsApp AI assistant. So I'm going to tell you a little story. I had a friend back home who made amazing brownies. Now they wanted to just sell these brownies to everyone. The first thing that they did was just set up a WhatsApp business account and people used to just text them to get the brownies. Now you can imagine when like hundreds of people or thousands of people want to buy these brownies, they're not scared, right? Their business runs perfectly well, business, but then tracking becomes a bottleneck. And they don't want to probably sign up for off-the-shelf tools to maybe have web signups and user signups and onboarding flows, because everything works fine in WhatsApp. They just need an assistant that can be able to track their order history and respond to customers in real time without the business owner having to operate any of this, right? So that's what we've built. It's just a small hope for small scale businesses that are primarily run via messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram, right? So.
Yeah, and the way the dashboard works is basically these small businesses have a summary of how many users they have, how many orders per day. They have basically an orders pipeline where you have the status of your order. You can look into the specific customer. And so what's really useful as a owner is, let's say it's a recurring customer, you can have those preferences. And so where the agentic AI comes into this is that basically we integrated it inside the WhatsApp chat where as the customer is talking on the WhatsApp business contact, all the conversations are transferred in the dashboard. And so as an owner, I don't need to go into my WhatsApp chats and look into 50 or 60 different customers. Everything's on the dashboard. And I can look at the chat history, I can look at all the orders they've made, summaries, general preferences, even their total amount spent. And like for data analytics, if I'm a small business and I don't know AI or data analysis, this is super useful. And then even in terms of general dashboards, I can look at my revenue streams, how much I'm making per week, all of my general order summaries. And so all of that is super useful for a small business that doesn't necessarily have time to handle all of these 40 or 50 customers as they're like really small businesses. And this is obviously a very niche customer target, and we're not like trying to target larger businesses that are maybe scaling up to 100 or 200.
And if you see these small scale businesses, they operate in many countries where like WhatsApp business is like heavily used. And in India, about 15 million users like run their businesses through WhatsApp. So even if you target like a very small segment of these users, you just build a very simple AI assistant for them to manage their entire workflow end to end without changing their existing order process. This is going to be really helpful for them.
All right, folks, we are at time here. Please give them a warm round of applause for Team Asha. Judges, do you have any questions for Asha on the WhatsApp business? Got one question there.
Have you thought about exploring different models with like different language capabilities?
Yeah, we wanted to test with like mix of Hindi and English because primarily even people like talking in Hindi, they use the English alphabet like in Hindi words. So due to time constraint, we couldn't fine tune the model to recognize like but that's an idea that we did have. So we probably want to fine tune a model to recognize a mix of Hindi and English, and also fine tune models to support the native language wherever the business is run.
And what is the interaction, the tech stack between WhatsApp and the portal? What is the tech stack?
It's simple. We're using video to manage the WhatsApp. We did think about using OpenClaw, but OpenClaw adds a bit of complexity in terms of orchestration. These are very simple workflows that need to be automated. So it made sense to just have our own AI agents calling the Nebius token factories LLM models and handle the communication using video.
All right, folks, that was Team Asha. Please look at them another warm round of applause. Last but not least, we have Team Jimmy. Team Jimmy was another robotics one. I think they're setting up their robot over there. After the presentations are all over, we do have a special treat for you from the UFB team that will set up and do a little dance for the robotics army they have over here as well. So after this presentation with Jimmy, please stick around. These folks are going to get set up, and you're going to get to see some robot dancing over here.
That's really cool.
It'll be a good way to pass the time while judges are deliberating on the first, second, and third place. Here's their robot.
This thing's crazy.
guys are Team Jimmy. I'm Sharon. And
this is Armin.
I can do a quick intro while Armin is setting up. So we have an autonomous robot with object detection on Yolo V8. You'll see bounding boxes and like on our console here in a little bit when we share, as well as SLAM, so localization distances from the detected objects in Yolo, and ability to run voice commands. We have Gemini set up, a vision language model, including commands like moonwalk, salsa, walk forward, backwards, turn right, left, and maybe 30 others. Programmed in, and it responds to voice commands as well. There's facial recognition. It remembers me as Shannon, which is a common misremembering of my name right now, but it also should remember on restart, so let's see if it can get my name right this time.
So our project is basically trying to build software for any robot that they can take the footage and process it and basically send controls back to the robot. This is not loading for another time again. But the idea is that this is not going on. The idea is, okay. The idea is that...
Maybe a video you can show us?
I think it's kind of running. The idea is that we can basically take any robots and the software should run either on these robots or on those robots, that it can take the footage, process it, and and it sends controls back to the robots. The whole idea is that this can be like an autonomous robot by itself. If nobody is essentially controlling it, they can like detect people, go around, and connect.
Hi, do you hear me? What's your name?
That might. So I guess some problem is that we're like using the Eastern European thing for Nebius, so there's like extending frames back and forward. Yeah, that's why there's some latency. But yeah, it's meant to be a autonomous robot by itself when it does work. Any questions so far? I can try running it locally, maybe actually. That would be the best option at the moment. Any questions so far?
Judges, do we have any questions while they're getting it running? We are getting to time here, but any questions that they can explain?
Yes, very good question. So basically, I'm just getting the footage, getting the raw stereo footage from Yolo V8, from the robots, and then, okay, this is how it should look like locally.
Wow.
And I get the footage, I send it to cloud, or in this case, it's just running on my local. There is a mixture of like stereo cameras and other VLMs. So this is mostly Gemini VLM. And then I give it all the low-level and high-level controls, so the Gemini understands what to do. So in this case, I can be like,
Hey Jimmy, can you follow me please?
yeah, so it's like looking at me, then he lost me. I'm here. Or you can do some dances.
Hey Jimmy, can you do a moonwalk dance please?
Moonwalk.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Dude, that's crazy. Dang.
Yeah, I can try that again.
Oh, wow.
All right, folks, we are at time. Thank you, Team Jimmy.
Yeah.
Moonwalk.
Moonwalk.
Judges, we have time for one more question. Any other questions for Jimmy? All right, I think you might be holding a thumbs up there. All right, thank you, Team Jimmy. Folks, that was all 6 teams. At this point in time, the judges will now go and deliberate. Congratulations again to everyone who participated. Congratulations to the top 6. In the meantime, please give a warm round of applause to everyone who participated as well. Thank you so much for coming by on the hackathon. In the meantime, the judges will go and deliberate, so they will follow me to the back room over there. And then you will see a U of B dance presentation. So we're going to get you set up here and get going.
This thing's nuts. Bro, just chilling. Oh my god. My guy. Oh, snap. Oh. He's just a little kid. Yo, this is crazy. So right now we're basically at the hackathon. Let me switch the microphone. All right, so you should be able to hear me now. Bots are dope, right? It's crazy. So these people are basically getting this thing set up for a dance, and we're seeing them come up right now. And so we basically got to watch the finalists. So these guys were competing for the final prize, and they're going to select, I think it was like the top 5 that were up here that were presenting, and one of them was going to be a winner. There's like 3 big grand prizes. I think it's like 24K, 10K, and 5K in prizes. And then these guys were, it's not the UFC, it's the UFB, and that's basically where these robots actually battle each other. So you can see them kind of come into here. And these are the Unitree robots. And so they're going to position them right now, and they're going to do a little bit of a choreographed dance. And we're going to see them right here, front row. Sick.
Yeah, please.
Wow. These guys are like waking up. They're sitting down, and they're ready to turn up. Whoa. Yo, this is crazy. I mean, so we're here, if you're wondering, we're basically at Shack 15 in San Francisco. And it's literally across from, you can see back there, the Bay Bridge. So the Bay Bridge comes right in here. It's like right off the Embarcadero. It's super beautiful. And a perfect San Francisco night to be inside and playing around with robots. So it's pretty wild. What y'all doing right now? They're just trying to get these up. Really fascinating. Okay, let's go. Whoa, we're in like front row seat. Nice. This is scary. What would you do if you walked up to this guy? Dang. Crazy, right? Whoa. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh. Let's see.
That way. And then it runs. Interact with the world, kind of sees the world. So it'll, if there's like a step in front of it, it'll try to step up. No, it's not that sophisticated. Yeah, so it's kind of like the brain of the robot. I'm going to show you an example of what it usually can for example.
It's crazy right now. I like this little guy right here. This little guy's really cool. Nuts. Oh. You right? Yeah, they are. This is gonna be crazy. Dang. Physical AI live on stage. Splash zone thing. Wait, do you know something we don't know? I can't tell. I just seen a lot of robots in my simulations.
Right. Welcome again. Thank you all for being here today through the whole day of hacking. And I'm Celia. I'm a co-founder and CEO of UFB. We are the Humanoid Sports League. So we build the sports of AI era.
Wow.
And we develop the robots in front of you that delight, entertain, and surprise people. And so throughout the day, you saw the demonstration of the workshop and the inner workings of programming the robots. We do train them in simulation using Nebius Cloud. And right now, we will see the final product of that simulation, the robot performance. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Let's go! Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're synchronized. Oh, let's go. Whoops. Bro. My guy's a little too close to the wall.
Give it up.
Oh, let's go.
Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm one of the creatives on the team here at USB. How many people have interacted with robots before? This is kind of the first time. We got some experts in the audience over here. Nice. Yeah, it's quite fun and interesting to be working for a company where you're not just working with technology, but you're working with experience, interaction. There's interaction design that we think about on a daily. How can robots show up in our lives? And it's exciting because every day we think, we have some robots that are going to show up in a different way. These guys, they had a little bit of an accident and they're missing some key body parts, but maybe we can bring them out. I was thinking about this the other day. Are robots alive? Like, do you guys think robots are alive? No. So do you have to be alive and then die to then turn into a zombie? Like, does a zombie robot exist? Is that a thing? I know it's in front of me, but I don't know. Come up to me after, because I would love to have a further discussion on this. Do the zombie robots maybe want to join with the other guys?
Hey.
Are they misbehaving? Is it because they're brainless?
Wow.
Their brains are actually in their chests. Fun fact.
Fun fact. Let's go. They can start fighting.
It's a little creepy, right?
Right? Let's go.
The other guys are so elegant, but these ones,
Too much to drink.
too much to drink, yeah. Well, they pregame. Cocktail hour is coming up after this, so they're ahead of everybody else. All right, let's see what they can do next.
Ooh. For sure. Wow.
So yeah, we think a lot about the future of robots and how our lives are going to change, and we believe that there is an immense opportunity.
Look at her little child.
With robots.
Oh, look at that little guy right there.
Making them fill our lives with more joy and health and beautiful moments. So please join us on the future performances, and thank you again for your attention and all the great day of hacking.
Yeah. Here they are. All the senses were in their head. Nah, it's a camera. There's a heart. The brain, yeah. Damn. Like this guy walking around with the head come up, that's kind of scary. Dang, this is crazy. Yo, I mean, what would you do if one of these walked up to you without his head? It's like, yo, what's up? I'm trying to take you down for some money. That'd be crazy. I mean, they're just literally right here, chilling. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, this is kind of where I'm actually hanging out with the robots right now. We're just gonna have some drinks with the robots and chill. Crazy, right? Like this is kind of like the area where they're kind of chilling right now. Nuts. We're about to. Okay. They're about to do like a award ceremony. Okay. They have Hitman potential. Hey, bro. No. I need to get one of these, right? That's UFB. I think they're based out of San Francisco. Wow. That's really cool. That's crazy. Let's go talk to them. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, you need to get one? I need to get one too. So what you guys think? What you guys think?
Ah, it was great.
You want to say hello to live stream?
Hello.
Live stream. You guys did a great job. People liked it. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, chat.
Hey, chat is great.
We do live streams.
Oh yeah. People taking pictures and stuff. It's crazy. So yeah, this is what's going on. This is the vibe right now at Shack 15. A lot of people here.
I hope you enjoyed that demo and presentation of dancing. I was busy in the judging room deliberating with the judges. That was a super intense judging deliberation. They really enjoyed all of the projects that were presented on the stage. But now has come the time to announce the top 6. Folks, if I could get your attention, please, to the top 6. First of all, to the top 3. First of all, I want to remind you of the prices that we're competing for. In first place, 1 GTC pass.
Yo.
We've got a bunch of credits for Nebius flying tablet to Luca. We've got swag. In second place, a little less credits, but still a lot. And then in third place, we've got a little less credits, but still a lot of Nebius credits, flying credits, tablet credits, photo credits, and more. All right, folks, are you ready for the third, second, and first place of this Nebius Build hackathon? How's everyone feeling tonight?
Yeah!
All right.
I love this setup.
Before I announce these winners, one thing to note, when I announce your name, please come to the right of the stage and we will take photos with the winners after I announce everyone. So
crazy.
Third place, drum roll please.
Drum roll.
We have Robo Store. Congratulations to Robo Store.
Robo Store. So they were the people who you could buy, like, the robots can buy their own parts, which is crazy. Second place?
We got Run Robot.
Run Robot. And that's the robot simulation one. So the robots were simulating, and then you can choose which one. And so they're basically. Oh, look at this guy.
We have.
Whoa. Oh, hold up.
Huge drum roll, please.
I want Injester to win. Let's go.
Come on,
Injester, let's go! Let's go! He is him. He is him. Let's go. Okay.
Hang out with the judges, hang out with the robots, take some photos.
Oh, wow.
This has been the Nebius Build hackathon.
Sheesh.
Have a great night, everyone.
Have a great night. Let's go. UFB.
I got a third one. Makes a nice photo booth.
See? Okay. So let's go say hello to the winners real quick, because that's a bit crazy. This is awesome. Yes, yeah. Please. Let's go. Shee. Oh my God. Hey, he's trying to throw down. He almost ran. He's throwing it. They're throwing it down. Let's go. Third place. Hey. Let's go. That's fire. We go talk to my Injester folks. We go talk. Congratulations.
And if you guys like
Let's
robots,
go see.
it's still live and people still love it.
Yo. Dude, congratulations, man. You guys killed it. Holy smoke. Dude, how's it feel like to be famous? Now you got GPUs. Yeah, you got GPUs now, bro. Yeah.
Yes.
You guys should go. You guys should go.
Yeah, you guys gonna take your. Dude, I'm so hyped about it, man. It's so crazy. That's dope. Yeah. So these guys told me about the idea, and then he's the one that told me about with the Nebius. They're hosting the Nematron 3 supermodel, and it's super fast. So I'm gonna try that out on stream because the new Nematron 3 model, you can get inference everywhere, but like Nebius has it, and they're using it super fast, and that's what they're using for that demo. And so yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Get the photo with the robots. Yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go more places around the world, you can like scroll all the way down. You're like,
sheesh. Hey, and these guys throw it down, man. Let's go. This is so cool. Whoops. Awesome. Yeah, congrats. Oh, yeah. Oh, Talvi, yes. Talvi.
Oh my God, second place, let's go!
Hey, chat.
Yeah, what's going on, man?
What's going on?
So this is the guy who controls the robots, right? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Vitaly.
Vitaly, he's the one that's in control. Hey!
Yeah, this robot. We can throw a punch. We can do
like a
little teaser. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come forward.
Let's go. This guy makes it. He's making it pull up, right? Let's see. Hey. Yo, this thing's crazy. It's so. That's awesome. Yeah. That's wild. It's so crazy, right? Yeah. Okay.
But like we can throw all the way from okay.
Alright, get that out of the way. Sorry. Yo, security bot. Yeah, for sure. 1,000%. And then it's wild. Yeah. Judges. I'll get out of your way.
Judges. Any other judges?
Let's see. All right, cool. So what I'm trying to do is get my face in here. Okay. So they're doing a group photo right now, and then this is what it looks like right now. It's looking much more clean. So these are all the judges. These are all the people who made the whole event happen, like basically sitting down, listening to all the pitches for a couple of hours. It's a crazy amount of work, and big shout out to Nebius and actually all the folks here who are participating in the hackathon. One more. Hey! Wow, okay. So, this is a vibe. So yeah, basically we're here live in San Francisco at the Nebius, at this hackathon, hosted at Shack 15. And all these folks you got the chance to either program a robot or do something with the software. I tried to do my stuff, but I obviously couldn't finish on time. I was brand new to programming a robot, so I didn't really know how to figure that out. But the space is really gorgeous. Behind me is just like always scenic. You have these beautiful photos, the setting. You could just vibe out back there in the little cafe. They got all this other stuff over here with like lounges and stuff. So people were just literally just hacking away. And then you also have the bay right here. So literally you're on the bay, like looking out. It's gorgeous out there. It's a really gorgeous night. That's the pier. And so you're just looking out, beautiful San Francisco night, just kind of vibing out. And I'll show you what the other side looks like. So this is the DJ booth over here coming up. And then you also have the beautiful Golden Gate Bridge down this way. So if you kind of go down this way, like a little lounge vibe, and you can kind of see, this is kind of looks like out here. So people had some beautiful views. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can kind of see way out there. Yeah, that's the bridge. Stunning right now, stunning night. There's the little tower and everything. Yeah, it's a vibe right now. You gotta be in San Francisco right now. It's such a beautiful vibe. And yeah, it was cool, just to hack all day. I was here from 9 o'clock in the morning till now. It's currently about almost 9 o'clock, so appreciate everyone showing up. This is crazy. It's in Embarcadero, the ferry building. So this is the ferry building. There's like a mezzanine level. And then they also got like the DJ booth too back here. So we can with bumps and beats. Yeah, that's what's up. I think my backpack's still here. But they had some cool coding rooms. How's it going? You want to introduce yourself?
Oh, no.
No? Come on.
Sorry, I'm on my last.
I'm on my last. What's your name? Yeah, tell it.
My name is Vikas, and I'm with Nebius, Cerebral and community.
Yes, so if you guys want to use Nebius, I'm going to play around with this a lot on stream because it's been really cool. I saw some really cool demos.
Awesome.
I love Injester, it was really cool.
That's
like,
cool.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I want to try the Nematron 3 Super. That sounds really cool.
It's been a great day of so many projects.
Yeah, which one was your favorite?
My favorite was Topology.
Topology?
Because it kind of really got to the inference layer and the complexities and challenges to actually solve that.
Insane, actually, yeah. Yeah, it's funny because it didn't really, I think there was a lot more behind it, even though it was visually nice. Yeah. Like you're saying, yeah.
I think just like could have done a better demo and whatnot, but it actually is solving real production scale problems under the hood.
Wow, cool.
Cool,
yeah,
man.
It's good to see you, yeah.
Good to see you. I'll see you at GTC.
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah. I'll be there. We're going to be live, yeah. So let's see if I can get this here. Okay. My camera does this sometimes. Let's see. Okay, cool. All right, perfect. All right, so for those who don't know, tomorrow I'm going to be going live again. I'm going to be walking towards GTC. So the keynote opens at 11 o'clock, and then I will be going live, probably walking up with it. So I'm pulling up with my boy Alex Finn, and after the actual keynote, yeah, GTC is about to be crazy lit. After the keynote, I'm going to also go live again, because I don't think I'm supposed to be live throughout the whole keynote, but we'll see. And so after the keynote, we're going to go and set up our OpenClaw on the DGX Spark. So they're hosting a Spark session for us. We're gonna go after it and just kind of hang out. So I'm gonna pull up like this. There's gonna be a lot of other influencers, celebrity people around too. So I'm just gonna see if they wanna hang out and chat with us. So it's just gonna be just like this, IRL star NFT God. So we're gonna be walking like this and then just following along the stream. So that's what's up. Hang out. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy. So this is just the beginning of it, right? So Sunday. Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, give a shout out to the stream.
On live stream?
Yeah, you're on live stream
What's
right
up,
now.
Man? What's
Yo,
up?
you made it.
I know.
So what are you gonna do with all these credits, man? Are you gonna build it out?
We're gonna build it out.
Yeah?
See how it goes.
Dude,
Yeah.
that's, okay, so you guys made the AI for agents. Like basically the agents can see CLIs on websites.
Yeah, to convert websites into more AI-friendly
Crazy.
websites, and then they can scope it and actually do actions against it.
Wow. And so I love that model. I wanna learn more about it, yeah. I wanna, get you on a stream.
Together,
yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah,
That, so you gotta go to work tomorrow, huh?
Yeah. Gotta go with that.
Oh man, that's so crazy. Good to see you. Congratulations. Yeah, huge shout out. Cool. See you guys. Awesome. Man, that was fire. Sweet. So yeah, I want to show you guys a little bit more. What time does it start? The event, the GTC, I think starts at 8 or 9. No. It starts at 10 or something like that. What kind of sweaters are they giving out over here? Open router? Oh, open router swag? Hey, that's drippy as hell. Let me see that. Woo! Hey, that is fire.
I wonder if it would have been awesome if it was.
I love that color, bro.
I'm Yab.
Oh, what's the name?
Yab.
Yab. Cool. What do you do, man?
I'm the founder of Aule Technologies.
Aule?
Aule, A-U-L-E.
A-U-L-E, what does it do?
So we build foundational model for chip design.
Okay, wow. Oh, you fancy.
Yeah, we're kind of fancy.
Kind of fancy, yeah. Dang, that's crazy. So how was today's hackathon?
It was pretty awesome. I was kind of having calls, and I just wanted to get out of the office. So,
Facts.
It was pretty awesome.
That's cool, man.
It was nice hanging out with people.
Sheesh. I'm gonna see if I can get me some of this drip.
Oh yeah. Try and get some.
Yeah, let's see. Is there still some more? I don't know. It's gone, I think. I like this. This is like a soft sweater.
Yeah.
Oof. Wow, look at that. Nice.
There are people that take like a couple. Oh, there was a black hoodie.
Oh, black hoodie. Nice. All good.
Well,
cool.
Ray,
yeah, right. Yeah.
It was a pleasure meeting
you.
you.
Yeah, congratulations, and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, cool. I think I got everything here, so I'm gonna get my backpack. Let's see. All right, let's go. I got everything. I think I got noise canceling. I don't think it's on. Oh, do you have any more open router ones? Oh, cool. Yeah, large would be perfect. Oh, I love these things. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Open router. Oh, I got one, bro.
Congrats.
This is so perfect. This is so soft. Oh, man, this is crazy. Okay, I might actually just give this away. If you're down, just comment in the stream. If you made it this far, y'all need to leave some comments. After the stream is done, make sure you drop the comments so they can qualify to win this open router drip. This is a large. This is really soft and nice. And like, I love this old school logo with the routing, because I'll show you right now. This is crazy right now. Yeah. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, this is fire right now. This logo is fire. Like that. That's so cool. And it's got the little thing here. So you got this little like nice, it's actually not that thick, which is nice, so you can wear it in San Francisco and layer it up. You know, because sometimes some of these hoodies and stuff get so thick. So this is actually kind of softer here, and this is nice and soft here. This is nice. Oh yeah, large. Yeah. Yeah, large for sure. I think, yeah, you can kind of see on this chair. Yeah, so this is kind of, yeah, this is where we're at right now. Cool.
You'll be in this area, right?
Cool. Yeah, this is pretty chill. I don't know. I'll give it to my parents. Now you gotta rock it, bro. If nobody wants it, then I'll just get it. Where are my credits? Yo, if you signed up for the credits, did you sign for those who did the factory thing? You had to sign up for the Luma, and you also had to sign up for the Google event thing. So if you didn't sign up on the Google form, you're kind of hosed. If you signed up for both, you had to do it in that period of time during the live stream. And if you didn't, send me a DM. I'll send your email over to the factory team, and I'll have them take a look because a lot of people have been hitting me up, and I have been hitting them up, and I think they got like 5 to 6 of them taken care of last time. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. Sorry, my robots are taking over too. I've been DMing. Well, continue. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't think I've seen your DMs, but let me know your handle and stuff for sure. I'll definitely take care of it. I'm not trying to ignore you. All right, cool. Let's see. This one's pretty fire. Wow. Not gonna lie, I might just wear this right now on the way out. This is really cool. Sweet. Congratulations. Yeah. All right. Dang. Yeah, let's do a little bit more of a tour of this place for you. I want to see what's going on. Yeah, so tomorrow, GTC, we're going to be going live there, and that's going to be fire. We're going to be hanging out with Alex Finn. We're going to go see if we can talk to Jensen. That'd be insane. I'm going to hit up a bunch of people from NVIDIA. They're going to be doing a whole bunch of things there. You're going to see all of your favorite, influencers are probably going to be there too. And I'm going to just hang out with them live, just like this, IRL. So I'm just going to bring this whole setup here, and then we're just going to kick it. It looks like my camera's almost dead too, so yeah, awesome. Well, I think what's going to happen now is I'm going to see y'all at GTC tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'll probably go live like around 10, maybe 9:30 tomorrow morning Pacific Standard Time. We're just going to see we're going to see how that goes, and then tomorrow we're also going to set up OpenClaw on the DJX Spark. So I'm going to be hanging out with Alex Finn. We're going to do that together. I'm going to bring my Spark over. I think they want me to bring a Spark. I have no clue of why, but I already have it set up at home anyways. But it'll be interesting. If not, I'll just buy a Spark there, and then we'll just kind of set it up. But yeah. Also, there's going to be Micro Center and is going to be there as well, and I think they're going to have GPUs and also some Sparks. So I might buy some. And I don't know, if I can get one to give away, that'd be amazing, but I don't know if I'll do that. But yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to see if I can get NVIDIA to give some stuff away. So make sure you guys comment, make sure you subscribe and say, we want the GPUs, right? Yeah, so that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, we'll be doing some more stuff on that. I'm super interested in this new Nematron 3 Super model, especially on the Nebius thing. Especially after seeing that event on the hackathon. The guy who won used that stuff. The model's really good. So, all right, y'all, peace. I need to get the scene over here. Let's see what else is going on. OBS. Definitely want the GPUs for sure. Yeah, JOURON. I'll go ahead and have the, if you had sent me a DM, I'll look for you on that handle. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find your DM on X. And then, if you give me your org ID or whatever you use to sign up, with the Luma things, then I'll send it over to the factory team for sure. Yeah, because you should definitely check it out. It's 200 million tokens of credits. That's $200, bro.